Hello everyone, welcome to Recipes by Janki. Today I'm going to share a very delicious, juicy and very soft gulab jamun recipe that I'm going to make with a ready mix from the Gits. So here I'm using the Gits Gulab Jamun ready mix box, and I'm going to make around 400 grams of I'm going to use 400 grams of flour, that is close to 2 cups, and into that I have taken 3/4 cup of regular milk that should be like little bit warm. So into the mix I will add little by little milk, and I will use the spoon to mix it. So it will be very sticky dough at first, but don't worry, it should be fine as we are going to rest it for 15 minutes. So you can see it's very sticky at this point, so that's how we want. And now we will let it rest for 15 minutes. Just cover it and rest it. So now onto the side I will start preparing the sugar syrup. So I have taken 4 cups of sugar. You can adjust according to your taste. If you don't like too sweet, then you can take like 3.5 cup. Here I have taken 4 cups of sugar, and into that I have added 5 cups of water. So now we will stir it until that all the sugar get dissolved. So here we are not preparing any string syrup. We are only just want to dissolve the sugar. And once you see it start boiling, I will add around half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. You can use the white cardamom powder. I only had the black cardamom powder, so that's what I had used. And some saffron stems that I crushed between my hand, and just give it a mix. Now you can see it has come to a good boil. So now we will turn off the stove and cover it and keep it aside. So now you can see the dough is not sticking anymore. Just apply some ghee or oil in your hand and knead it for around 2 minutes, and you will see it will be very soft and smooth dough. So we want like a soft dough like this. If you see it's a little bit stiff, then you can add little more milk. So from that I will prepare bowls and just roll it between your palms until you see there is no cracks. Just make sure you gently roll them between your palm, and it will be very smooth on the top. It will be very smooth surface from all the sides. So same way I have prepared all. So from 400 gram it was around 55 of the gulab jamuns that I have made. So on the side I have heat the oil on a very low medium flame, and now slowly I will add all the gulab jamuns to fry. Here I am using oil, but if you want you can use a ghee instead. So you can see it has started floating by itself. So we don't need to use a spoon at the beginning. Just make sure once it starts floating and it changes the color, then use a fork or a spoon to stir it. And then we will take it out and just keep it aside for at least 5 minutes, and then add to the warm sugar syrup. We don't want a very hot sugar syrup. Just make sure it's warm enough. If it's too cold, then just warm it up and then add the gulab jamuns to the syrup. Same way I am frying the second batch. You can see it start floating, and you can see that that balls that we made from the dough has become in almost double the size. And once we will dip in a sugar syrup, it will be bigger than that. So now I will add the first batch that I have prepared to the sugar syrup, and just give it a mix. You will see it will start double the size. Same way I am frying the last batch. Just make sure you keep the flame on a low medium Otherwise it will be darkened, it will get darkened from outside, but it won't get cooked fully from inside. Same way I have prepared them all, and you can see how good it looking, and that it has all the juice from inside as well. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.